The release of It, Welcome to Derry was yesterday, and I'm gonna give it a shot.
Dime novel hidden in the corn crib. Is he starting to memorize jokes?
The beginning is always the same. A kid or a couple or someone who needs help, who is alone.
Let me out! Out!
I knew it. This must be very traumatic for him. Oh wow, man. Wow. It's a vampire. He's such a cute baby. Like I said, they always start with the same kind of a scene. So I was expecting this. Just to let you know, this season or this whole story is before the movies. So that's what I think. I remember the opening for the sequel, the second one of the movies. Oh wow, I was so scared. I don't know why I felt very connected. I know why. Let's see what happens.
How is he in the goddamn movie? What's happening? How is this possible? Yes, Maddie! That thing, I told you weird shit was going on over that airbase. They made a giant fucking news, baby! What happened?
Oh, what's going on? Wow, I didn't expect this ending. I thought it was going to be, maybe later, but not now. Wow, this is a really good cliffhanger. I didn't expect this ending. Wow, they did it really well, and I catch a lot of Easter eggs, and I'm not even a huge fan, so that's good from them. They did it really good. Wow.